You could take it around the block. Warm it up, right? All right, before we start the oil change, we're gonna get that oil flowing nice and hot. Removing the oil filter right now. See the oil flowing? So we gotta fill that whole thing. As you can see, it's kind of dripping now by itself. So you don't have to keep pumping. Just gotta keep an eye on it. And we literally just started, and look how much is in there. We're gonna let it go. We're gonna lube the new O-ring real quick before we put it. Got the new filter right there. After the suction's completed, we'll put it. By the way, guys, this is how much we were able to get out of this engine. Now we're ready to put new oil in there. Now we're gonna start adding. Fun part. Okay, guys. Now we're checking how much got added.
So it's around the halfway mark right there.
Yep, looks good.
So I'm gonna throw in another quart.
So yeah, we still have a little bit left. We didn't put the whole thing. We're gonna try to get the right amount in there. It's about 9.5. Yep. It's looking pretty good right there.
Yeah, run it, it's a drop in.
Then we'll run the engine in a few minutes. Now we're gonna do a quick little test. Engine test. Let that oil circulate. All right, we shut off the engine. We're gonna give it a few seconds, and then we're gonna check it again.
Still pretty hot. It's right there at that top.
Okay. Take it for a spin around the block. That should do it. But yeah, guys, so this is, one of those oil changes you want to do once in a while. You don't want to continuously do this all the time, right? So on my next oil change, I'm going to go ahead and drain it through the bottom and do it properly so everything's off of the pan. But I'm going to be taking a break in between, you know what I mean? Every time I have to do an oil change, I'll do it this method. Next time, I'll do it the other method. Now I'm going to show you guys, after what I just did, the oil change, now we're going to reset it. So first thing, I'm going to pull out this little cap. And then I'm going to insert the key, turn it one time. Once I turn it one time, you're going to see it's going to show mileage. If it's not on the screen that shows mileage, you're going to scroll up and down. But since mine's already there, I'm just going to go ahead and hold the phone button and the OK. But I'm going to press it really hard and hold it together for 5 seconds. See there? Now I'm going to scroll down. Assist Plus, OK. Full service, OK. Configure full service, so I'm going to confirm full service. OK, one more time. Was it carried out? Yes. Oil grade? Yep. Yes. And confirm one more time, all the way down here. Cannot be undone. Full service carried out, guys. So that's it. Nice and easy. Any questions, concerns, let me know. But we are all set for another year.